Hello, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Samir Dey. You are watching my YouTube channel where I uploaded videos on engineering mathematics. Today, I'll discuss another new topic, that is called convolution theorem. What is the statement of convolution theorem? L of ft, L inverse fs equals to ft and L inverse gs equals to gt. Then L inverse of fs and gs product of 2 is equals to 0 to t fu g t minus u du or 0 to t gu f t minus u du is equals to f star g. So where f star g is called convolution of f and g. So this is the statement of convolution theorem. Now I am going to discuss how to implement this convolution theorem to solve some question from Laplace transform. Now here I have considered one problem to solve this particular problem by using convolution theorem. Now try to understand how to solve it. Solution. So here please write down here L inverse of 1 by s minus 2 s minus 2 s plus 6. You have a question. So please consider let fs is equals to 1 by s minus 2 and gs is equals to 1 by s plus 6. Suppose you have a question in your mind, can I consider the reverse of it? That means fs equals to 1 by s plus 6 and gs equals to 1 by s minus 2. That is the reverse of this. Yes, you can. There is no problem. So here I have considered first part as a 1 by that as a fs and second part gs equals to 1 by s plus 6. Okay. Now, so therefore L inverse of fs is equals to L inverse of s minus 2. Anyone? Can you recall it? Formula? It is coming e to the power 2t is equals to ft. Is it clear? So our main target to find ft, and from here L inverse of gs is equals to L inverse of 1 by s plus 6 is equals to, what is the formula? E to the power minus 60 is equals to gt. Is it clear to all of you? So this is the process already you know from the basic formula of inverse. So we have ft and gt. Clear? Okay. Now come to the next slide. Shall I move to the next? Please write down. Is it clear to all of you? These formulas are coming from your basic formula of inverse Laplace transform. So L inverse of fs equals to L inverse of 1 by that is equals to the power 2t, which is your ft, and L inverse of gs equals to L inverse of 1 by s plus 6 equals to the power minus 60. Now if you can recall it, I think we are using this formula from here. Basically, if I can recall it, L inverse of 1 by s minus a is equals to e to the power at. So here we have considered this formula. So here it is a is equals to 2. That's why I have mentioned here e to the power 2t, and here a is equals to minus 6. That's why e to the power minus 60. Clear? So this is my advice to all of you. Every time, if it is possible to write your formula again and again, it will help you a lot in future. Okay, now come to the next slide. Okay, So please write down now using convolution theorem. So what you have, L inverse of 1 by s minus 2 s plus 6 you have. So that part you may consider L inverse of 1 by s minus 2 and 1 by s plus 6, which is nothing but L inverse of Fs and Gs. Clear? Because already in the previous class already you know that you have considered 1 by s minus 2 as a Fs, correct? So please write down Fs and Gs. So now what is your formula? Formula is 0 to t f of u and g of t minus u of du. So here u is a variable, t is a constant. Okay, now what is your ft? From the previous slide already you know what is your ft. Ft is equals to e to the power 2t, correct? What is your gt? Gt is equals to e to the power minus 60. Clear? Now what is our requirement? What is our requirement? Our requirement is f of u, that means a t should be replaced by u. So fu is equals to e to the power 2u. Okay, now what is your gt minus u? So from here you may write g of t minus u, that means you are replacing t by t minus u. Okay, so e to the power minus 6 t minus u. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? So here basically f of t, you have f of t is equals to e to the power 2t. What is our requirement? Our requirement is f of u. So t should be replaced by f of u is equal to the power 2u. Now our next part is g of t minus 4. Sorry, u. G of t minus u. So from here gt is there from the previous slide already you have it. Now you replace all t by t minus u. It is coming to the power minus 6 of t minus u. Now you substitute all these value to this equation, to this expression, 0 to t e to the power 2u e to the power minus 6 t minus u into du. So from here 60 is a constant, e to the power minus 60 is constant, g to the power t. So here it is coming e to the power 2u into e to the power 6u. Please check. Minus of 6 into minus of u, that is minus 6u. Please check everyone. Is it clear or not? Is it clear to all of you? Please check. So main part is here. Main part is here to substitute the value of fu and g of t minus u. Ft is equals to this, fu is equals to e to the power 2u. Gt is equals to this, gt minus u, that is all t should be replaced by t minus u, already have mentioned here. Now you substitute. So here t is a constant, you take outside. Which one is left? E to the power 6u minus of that. Now is it okay? Okay, now come to the next slide. It is coming e to the power minus 60 0 to t. From here e to the power 2u e to the power 6u du. So you may write e to the power 8u du. Please check. So ultimately it is coming e to the power minus 60. Your integration is e to the power 8u by 8 and 0 to t. Now from here you may write e to the power minus 60 upper limit minus lower limit e to the power 80 minus e to the power 0 by 8. So ultimately it is coming, if I multiply, it is coming e to the power 2t minus e to the power 0 means what? 1. So it is coming e to the power minus 60 by 8. Is it clear? Because it is coming e to the power 0 equals to how much? 1. Na? E to the power 0 is equals to 1. So 1 is there. So e to the power of this. So ultimately it is coming L inverse of 1 by s minus 2 and s plus 6 is equals to e to the power 2t minus e to the power minus 60 by 8. Please check. Please check. Please check. Okay. If possible, now you try to solve same process. I want to replace the data. So please try to solve same, evaluate L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 s minus 7 using convolution theorem. Okay, so your answer will be if you can check it, your answer will be e to the power anyone, what will be the answer? Okay, you will decide. Very simple. E to the power 70 minus e to the power 30 by 4. Okay, clear? All lines are clear to you? Okay, thank you everyone. Please go through the lecture line by line. If any part is not clear to you, please let me inform. You can write mail or WhatsApp. Okay, I will try my level best to give your answer. And every time I used to give some homework every time to upgrade your knowledge. So this question, already I have given one question to you. This question totally based on your given formula, whatever problem I have solved today. Okay, so please go through it, try to understand line by line, then implement your knowledge to solve this question. Okay, and please do subscribe my channel if still you are not subscribing. So please subscribe and get some benefit from here. Okay, thank you.